Let's go!
We're having our Special Olympics bowling event. It's a great opportunity for our kiddos with special needs who can't do other kinds of sports. So the schools from all over the district are here to compete today. We have ramps available for those kids who can't have a bowling ball in their hand, that they can't actually carry it. They're all really excited. They love to go to these events. We've got our partner clubs here who are our regular athletes who come to help out with our kiddos, encourage them to do their best and cheer them on.
Today, we bowled at this beautiful bowling stage, and we were getting a lot of points and getting strikes. We practiced and started getting better and better with practice, and all the other kids cheered us on.
Today at the events, each of the kids that compete, they get ribbons for first, second, third place, and then their scores here will set up what their averages are if they compete at state. We have what's called the State Special Olympics in the winter and in the spring, and the winter games will include bowling.
My favorite part, well, it's kind of being with my friends and bowling and cheering them on to make them proud of themselves.
These athletes, they look forward to this all year long. This is kind of our first of the year kickoff event, and everybody gets really excited. As a mom, I love it that my daughter can come and get with her friends and participate and have a great time. I love that we all get to get together.
Have a good day and never give up.